Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best swirl removers. Swirl removers are specialized automotive detailing products designed to eliminate or significantly reduce the appearance of swirl marks on a vehicle's paintwork. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. I included all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 lists. Number 1. Carfidence Scratch and Swirl Remover. This Carfidence Scratch and Swirl Remover excels at banishing unsightly scratches from your car's exterior. Thanks to its innovative compound formula, this product effectively targets deep scratches, light swirls, and scuffs with remarkable precision. By gently buffing the affected area, Carfident eradicates imperfections, restoring your vehicle's paint to a showroom finish. With the ability to repair and restore paint damage, Carfident ensures that your car maintains its original luster. The product's advanced formula goes beyond scratch removal, effortlessly tackling faded or oxidized paint. By applying the compound with the included buffer kit, users can witness a significant improvement in the overall appearance of their car's exterior, giving it a renewed shine. The product is designed to be easily applied by anyone, regardless of their level of expertise. Number 2. Adams Car Scratch and Swirl Remover. This swirl remover hand correction system is specifically formulated to eliminate scratches, swirl marks, and other imperfections on your car's paintwork. By following the two-step process, you can effortlessly restore your vehicle's appearance to its original brilliance. The system's orange compound correction pad applicator effectively targets blemishes and provides a smooth, uniform application for optimal results. With its powerful formula, the Adams Scratch and Swirl Remover effectively removes unsightly marks and rejuvenates paint that has been affected by oxidation. The combination of the orange compound correction pad applicator and the specially formulated compound allows for precise and controlled correction, resulting in a flawless finish. The Adams Car Scratch and Swirl Remover hand correction system provides long-lasting protection for your vehicle's paint. The formula contains elements that create a protective barrier, safeguarding your paint from future damage caused by environmental factors. Number 3. Megear's Mirror Glaze Swirl Remover 2.0. The Swirl Remover 2.0 is designed to tackle one of the most common paint imperfections: fine swirls. With its advanced formula, this product effortlessly eliminates swirl marks, revealing a smooth and glossy surface. Whether caused by improper washing techniques or everyday wear and tear, the M0916 effectively polishes away these imperfections, restoring your car's paint to its former glory. This Swirl Remover 2.0 is its dual functionality as both a cleaner and polish. This two-in-one solution streamlines the detailing process, saving you time and effort. The product's cleaning agents effectively remove dirt, grime, and contaminants from the paint surface, while the polishing agents work to restore clarity and depth, leaving behind a brilliant shine. And the swirl remover's fine abrasives and polish agents work together to minimize imperfections, leaving a high-gloss mirror-like finish on your car's paint. Number 4. 3D1 Car Scratch and Swirl Remover. This scratch and swirl remover apart is its ability to simplify the paint correction process. With this product, you no longer need to purchase separate compounds and polishes. The all-in-one formula saves time and effort, making it a convenient choice for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts. By eliminating the need for multiple steps, the 3D1 Car Scratch and Swirl Remover streamlines the paint correction process without compromising on quality. It's a unique dual-action formula that combines the benefits of a rubbing compound and finishing polish. This powerful combination allows the product to tackle a wide range of paint imperfections, including scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and water spots. Number 5. Malco Paint Rejuvenator Swirl Remover. The Malco Paint Rejuvenator comes in a generously sized 32 fl bottle, providing ample product to restore multiple vehicles or repeated applications on the same vehicle. This one-step system is specifically designed to simplify the paint restoration process, eliminating the need for multiple products and laborious steps. Swirl marks and scratches can be a source of frustration for any vehicle owner, but the Malco Paint Rejuvenator offers an effective solution. Its advanced formula contains fine abrasives that work diligently to level out and diminish the appearance of swirl marks, leaving a smooth and uniform surface behind. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?